I am Gatling Tommy, and this is my blaster. It took me 1,500 hours to develop her. She shoots 3,000 darts per minute, fed via a custom self-dismantling belt with a capacity of 500 darts. It takes 1 hour of reloading to fire this blaster for 10 seconds. Oh my god, who touched MOAB? Alright. Who touched my minigun? Some people find it annoying that the belt disassembles itself. Maybe. But I just love running around with an endless belt. Or print your own. Hey, this foam-that minigun is real. It's so freaking complex with working barrels, like the real Gatling gun, and a working delinker. And so much more intriguing features, and you can print it yourself. And now it's live on Kickstarter. Get yours.